Hey guys, how y'all doing? What's up, what's up, what's up? Thanks for watching Bae's channel. #Pepsi G35. Love y'all.
Let's get this cold start. That's it, man. That's all I got, man. $30. That's it. I ain't putting no more gas in here. I'm only driving locally. I live in California like fresh kicks, but we got to drive on the highway and all this traffic. I'm going block to block. Be at my destination within 5 to 6 minutes. There's no reason to fill up your tank right now and give these gas companies all of this money. You know, just put what you need in there and get it going. But if you got a G35, yeah, you may want to fill it up because my gas gauge don't work, and I'm sure yours don't. If you own an Infinity of any kind, they just don't work. I don't know. This thing still pumping gas? It surely ain't click. I like to wait for the click, but it's too damn cold out here. Get this. We out of here. Wish I could get a wash, but it's cool. It's too cold out here for that. I ain't with it. Copyright. Alright, so I'm gonna get into some things. I gotta link up with my boy to, with his G35. We're gonna order some parts. I'm gonna help him order some parts, and I'm also gonna be installing those parts on his car. And the video coming soon. So yeah, let's get into it. Yeah, so I'm just pulling up to my boy crib. See right here, I got my got more clay bars. I got one for the paint, one for the rims. So I'm gonna be doing that.
Yeah, I'm trying to have a brick. I need to get my black chairs, man. Fucking brick out there, man.
Yeah, we're gonna be working on his car soon in the video. Yo, don't put that money. Good morning, guys. We back. Today I'm heading Corona Auto Glass to get this windshield changed. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but the windshield has a lot of rock chips in it, and it gives me a lot of glare at night or whenever light is hitting it, coming from the opposite direction, and it's raining. It's just hard to see. So I'm gonna get the tints redone this summer. And I want to get this windshield done before I put the tint on it. I want my windshield to be clean so I can see. Like, if I clean the windshield, it just doesn't look clean from the outside. You see a lot of scratches on it, a lot of rock chips. And once the light hit it, like when the sun is facing this direction, you can see all of the rock chips. And you can't see clear through it. So I want to get this window changed before I get my tints done. So I'm going to get this window changed. I'm gonna rip off some of these tints so I can lower the price of the job for them to do my car, because they want like $300, and that is crazy. Back in the day, we only paid $110 for everything, and if you're getting your tints removed, it probably would go up to like $200, $250, but $300, like, everything is going up right now, and I'm not about that life. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not about that life. I'm the type of person that if you give me your price, you know, me being lazy, if I want to take my car to somewhere to get something done, you give me a price and that shit don't make no sense to me, I'm gonna go do it myself. I mean, I went to Grady Automotive, so I got a lot of the basics of how to work on the car. You know, I had to take apart a motor, put it back together, and make sure I could get a full rotation. Which was like my first class was engine class. So we had to learn about the functions of the engine, how to bench start a starter and take it apart, rebuild it. take apart the motor, rebuild it, learn how to use a tire machine, wheel balance machine. I learned all of that in high school, and I watch a lot of, you know, YouTube channels just to keep me, you know, basically as a refresher, to keep my head in the game. So when I want to work on my car, you know, I'll be on point. So yeah, I'm gonna rip off these tints and try to save some money, you know, and get the tints done soon. I'm gonna get them way darker. Like, you're not gonna be able to see in here no more. So I'll probably go like something like 12%, something like that, because I want it to be dark in here. So I'm gonna get that done. So the first step is getting this windshield changed. So I guess I'm almost at the shop right now. So yeah, I'll get back to y'all once we get there.
Oh, we gonna make it? Oh, we gonna make it? That sucker right on top of it. Yeah, she at the doctor. Doctor gonna take good care of her. We don't want no pillars flying off like Mike and Fresh Kicks. Whew, that sucker sound good. Yeah, she's smoking. I just put another quart of oil in there before I even left with this car. Make sure she good. Rush. so we done. Glass installed. Oh yeah, that motor dying. Check out that glass work. Ooh. Got a new lip on the top too. Looking fresh. Glass way better. Alright, it's Boogie. Let's see if both of my reverse lights come on. Cause sometimes they don't want to come on. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, they on. They're nice and bright. Oh, it's blinking. Oh, it's blinking. It's flicking. Oh, it's off. Oh, no. I don't know why that light don't stay on, but I might have to reinstall it again, basically. Yo, I know. Where you been at, man?
Chilling, bro.
I ain't see you in a minute.
Just working, bro. Should have mixed though.
Thanks. That's why I said, yo. I said,
Pepsi Blue.
Yeah. See, you got it.
I see
Yo,
it.
people be coming up to me like Pepsi. I'm like, yo, just get the fuck,
son.
yo, just get the
Pepsi
fuck
Blue,
out of
baby.
here. Like, if you don't understand it, just get out of here. Don't talk to me.
Yeah, nah, look.
Yo, I don't know if y'all can see the difference, but this sucker looks fresh. Yo, the whole car look brand new, just from this windshield alone. Shit's crazy. Let me see if I can get out of here. I'm a driving shift with one hand and the other hand on the damn camera. I don't know why I tried to do this. Yeah, so as you can see, this windshield is, whew, it's way clearer. I can see everything now, like everything under the cars. I can't wait to see what it look like at night, yo. I swear, man. So I'm gonna pull up somewhere and stick my my camera and everything back on. What the hell happened over here? Accident? I don't know. There's always something going on in Brooklyn, man. But this, look at that. Yo, you don't even know it's a glass there right now. That's how clear it is. It's crazy. It's crazy. You don't see no sun glare on it like before. Like, it must got some type of tint on it, because this is obviously a newer window. It must have some type of anti-glare on it already, and it's doing its thing. It's doing its thing. Oof. Oh yeah, we back, man. Tints is coming next. Tints is coming next. I'm gonna tint half of this, and I'm gonna tint all of the other windows, 12%. I'm gonna get it right. I gotta go somewhere and reattach this stuff right here. That's my camera, my joint system, my mic. My Easy Pass is on there. Oh, matter of fact, he tucked it back. He tucked it back good. Yeah, he put the Easy Pass back properly. So, yeah, y'all, stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. Let's get it.